In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Draw tool in Canva. Start by opening the project you want to work on so your canvas is visible. Once you're in your design, look to the left side of the screen for the Tools panel. In that panel, click the pen icon. This is the Draw tool area, and it's where you'll set up everything before you start sketching on your design. You'll see 3 brush types: a pen, a marker, and a highlighter. The pen gives you clean, precise lines that are great for fine details, underlines, or small annotations. The marker lays down a thicker stroke with softer edges, which works well for bolder notes or quick sketches. The highlighter is semi-transparent by design, perfect for emphasizing text or areas without covering them up completely. Click the one that suits your goal, and you're ready to draw directly on your project. Right next to the brush choices, you'll find an eraser. Use it to remove any strokes you've drawn. It targets your drawn marks and keeps the rest of your design intact, which makes cleanup simple. If you over-erase or change your mind, you can always undo and try again, so don't worry about being too cautious. You'll also see options for color, weight, and transparency. Choose a color that complements your design so your annotations look intentional. For weight, think of it as thickness. Lighter weights are subtle and neat, heavier weights stand out and are easier to see from a distance. Transparency controls how solid or soft your strokes appear. Lower transparency is bolder and fully opaque. Higher transparency blends gently into the background. This is especially useful with the highlighter, since a lighter touch keeps the content readable underneath. Once your brush, color, weight, and transparency are set, draw freely on your canvas. Click and drag to create lines, shapes, arrows, or quick notes wherever you need them. Short strokes give you more control for detailed areas, while longer strokes are great for sweeping lines or borders. If you need extra precision, a quick zoom in before you draw can help you place your marks exactly where you want them. When you're finished, take a quick look over your design and use the eraser or adjust your brush settings to refine anything that feels too heavy or too light. And that's it. You've accessed the tool, chosen a pen, marker, or highlighter, drawn on your project, and fine-tuned your lines using the eraser, color, weight, and transparency. With these basics, you can add clear, hand-drawn emphasis to any Canva design in seconds.